Thank you, Jill. And thank you, my good friend Jill. She's my good friend. She's an artist by trade. She does jewelry and it's just jewelry by trade now. I taught her the basics of how to make some jewelry, and now she just ran away with it. Makes jewelry for everything now, weddings and everything. She's excellent. She's an excellent friend. She sent me a video of a lady named Meredith. I saw Meredith on her pan drum, on the hand drum, and as soon as I saw her playing it, I turned around and went ahead and bought it myself. I said, "That's it. That's it." And with this suffering, and I don't know. Roger thinks that I don't know what my baby thinks. But I don't know what he thinks. But for me, it's soothing. With suffering from PTSD and MST trauma, I find this soothing. And as soon as I picked up the sticks and the drum and start figuring things out, the keys and notes and what part of the body it goes to, I just started playing. And this is the stuff that I come up with whenever I play. It's just been ringing in my head. Okay, here we go. She wanted me to do a video to to show everyone what it does. I thought that artwork was my meditation. It is. Art is my meditation. Art is my hobby. It's like now it's become my job. This right here is soothing. So you play two ways: sticks with your hands, and then they have these things for the hands, which I might get because my hands are really sensitive with the gluten allergies. This is new skin. I develop new skin every 2 months for these things because of something breakout, whatever. So you could use it. You could use your hands, and it's kind of I would that's something I have to be used to anyways. But so I have these. One day I'm thinking I might get some sticks specifically made for my hands. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna have sticks. And they're gonna be called Carme drumsticks. Yes. And here we go. when